Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're a Honda owner or just a car enthusiast in general, you're in for a treat today. We're taking a deep dive into the Honda FBA 082009008 082009008 automatic transmission fluid, 4-pack, 1 USQT 946 ml Honda DW1 automatic transmission fluid, 1 quart, pack of 4. Now, I know what you're thinking, why should I care about transmission fluid? Well, let me tell you, my friend, transmission fluid is the lifeblood of your vehicle's transmission. It keeps all the moving parts working smoothly and efficiently, and it's crucial for the overall performance and longevity of your car. And that's where the Honda FBA 082009008 comes in. This top-of-the-line automatic transmission fluid is specially formulated by Honda to meet the precise specifications of their vehicles. It's designed to provide optimal lubrication, cooling, and protection for your transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and maximum durability. Plus, with this convenient 4-pack, you'll have plenty of fluid on hand for future maintenance. But why should you choose this specific product? Simple, because it's the best of the best. Honda has a reputation for engineering excellence, and their transmission fluid is no exception. By using genuine Honda fluid, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're giving your vehicle the quality care it deserves. So, if you're ready to give your Honda the royal treatment it deserves, I highly recommend picking up the Honda FBA 082009008 082009008 automatic transmission fluid, 4-pack, 1 USQT 946 ml Honda DW1 automatic transmission fluid, 1 quart, pack of 4. You can find the link in the description below. Trust me, your car will thank you for it. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.